The yellow stains on the toilet seat will disappear within minutes. The toilet will be white again without using harmful detergents. Do you have such stains on the underside of the seat? Many people struggle to remove them. They form due to the deposition of urine and water droplets during flushing. Urine stains the seat, and the limescale formed by the water can initially be invisible, then gradually take on a slightly yellowish color. If you clean the toilet and seat with strong detergents, its surface may be damaged and more susceptible to various stains. But there's a trick to it. Just make a homemade paste. The stains and discolorations will vanish. The toilet will be white again. This method saves me in such situations. I don't have to replace the seat with a new one yet. Take baking soda and pour it into a container. Add some hydrogen peroxide to it, just enough to create a paste. Mix it. It's best to use an old toothbrush for this. It's perfect for applying this substance to stains. The baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste should be thick enough to stick to the stains. Leave it on the toilet for about 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the stains. Then just remove everything, wipe it with paper, and you're done. This dissolves limescale in just 1 minute. It will shine like new for months, and even hard water won't leave a trace. Dried limescale buildup not only looks bad, but it can also block water flow and damage your fixtures. That's why it's important to act as soon as you notice the first signs of buildup. One of the most effective solutions is a homemade paste made from 2 ingredients everyone has at home. Add 1 cup of laundry detergent to a bowl. Laundry detergent breaks down grease and grime, softens water, has mild whitening properties, and foams well, making it perfect for cleaning many surfaces. Pour in half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar helps soften and dissolve the buildup. Mix until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the affected area, spread evenly, and leave it for a few minutes. Then wipe with a damp cloth. The residue disappears, and the faucet looks brand new. The same trick works on a shower head or glass doors. If you don't have detergent, you can also use plain vinegar. Just fill a plastic bag with it, tie it around the faucet with a rubber band, and after 30 minutes the limescale softens and peels off easily. Pour baking powder into the toilet tank. I discovered this method by accident when I mixed up products. Now I use it regularly. Get a small bowl and pour in an entire packet of baking powder. It works great for this task. Add about 2 cups of warm but not hot water. Stir the mixture. Cut fresh limes in half and squeeze the juice straight in. Lime juice is antibacterial and antifungal, and it also dissolves limescale and soap scum. Mix everything again thoroughly. You'll get a slightly fizzy, citrus-scented mixture. Remove the tank lid and carefully pour the mixture inside. Don't flush right away, let it work. Baking powder acts as a natural descaler. Combined with lime juice, it dissolves limescale, neutralizes bacteria, and eliminates unpleasant odors. Close the lid and leave it for at least an hour. After just 1 use, you'll notice the difference. The inside of the tank stays clean, free of scale and residue. No harsh chemicals, no effort, and it smells fresh. I always keep this in the shower. You need a nylon stocking. It has a brilliant use most people don't know about. Put a bay leaf in it. But before you do, crush it into small pieces. As you can see, bay leaf isn't just for cooking. Then tie the stocking to the shower head. Thanks to this trick, your shower will also be an aroma therapy session that helps relieve symptoms of a runny nose, cough, and respiratory infections. With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge. and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. Breaks down toilet limescale like a hammer. Did you know how easy and cheap it is to get rid of limescale in the toilet? You only need a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Start with about 2 ounces of dish soap. Then add 1 tablespoon of table salt. The third ingredient is vinegar, about 10 ounces. Mix everything well so the salt dissolves. Pour the mixture into an empty dish soap bottle to make it easier to apply. Now pour it all over the toilet bowl, especially where limescale builds up. Don't forget under the rim. Leave it overnight to let the mixture work. In the morning, just flush the toilet and enjoy the cleanliness. This method is not only effective, but also eco-friendly. This breaks down toilet limescale better than a hammer. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. This powder tackles grime much faster than anything else. The result is worth it, so watch closely. Just gather a few powdery products, and the buildup will vanish. Start with laundry detergent. It dissolves grease, softens deposits, and cleans effectively. Sprinkle it generously over the toilet bowl. Next, add baking soda. It's a cleaning hero. It disinfects, whitens, and neutralizes odors. It's perfect for fighting dirt and scale. Now bring in some toothpaste. Its polishing particles help remove buildup and restore shine. Spread the paste around the inside of the bowl. Add some dish soap too. It breaks down grime and helps loosen the limescale. Let everything sit for about 15 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then grab a brush and scrub. The limescale lifts off effortlessly, and the dirt falls away on its own. Flush, and that's it. A sparkling, fresh, and fragrant toilet, without harsh chemicals or hard scrubbing. Drop this powder into the toilet bowl. It will remove stubborn residue and limescale. Without chlorinated and harmful chemicals, you'll get rid of stains and dirt. Cleaning the toilet has never been so simple. You no longer need to ventilate the bathroom during cleaning to get rid of harmful bleach fumes. This powder will tackle a dirty toilet much faster. Prepare a few powdery products, and the residue in the toilet will disappear. Start with regular flour. Flour adheres well to dirt, making it easier to remove. Our grandmothers already used its cleaning properties. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt acts as an antiseptic, disinfectant, and abrasive. Add a little baking soda. It has disinfecting, whitening properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. In a few seconds, you'll make a super powder for cleaning dirt. Before cleaning the toilet, first spray its surface with plain water. Then sprinkle the dirt with this powder. Wait about 20 minutes. After this time, take a brush and scrub the toilet. You'll see that the dirt will come off quickly. The toilet will be cleaner than ever.